CNN News 18, we're cutting across to visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi from the BJP headquarters.
देखना चाहेंगे प्रधानमंत्री इस वक्त बीजेपी और बीजेपी के लिए काफी महत्वपूर्ण आज का दिन है। सदस्यता अभियान शुरू होने वाला है और इसी
Prime Minister Modi there arriving for the three-phase membership drive of the BJP. He is going to be renewing his membership to the party. He is going to be the first one who renews his membership and kick off that mammoth membership drive of the BJP. This exercise is undertaken by the Saffron Party every few years. It has been low-key in the last few years because of the pandemic, but this time around, the BJP aims to increase its membership multifold. They're doing so by using multiple methods. Giving a missed call to a certain number that has been advertised for the last 2 months or sending an SMS is one of the ways of doing that, being a part of the Saffron Party. JP Nadda, BJP president there, taking the Prime Minister along, a small exhibition there before they get into the hall where the Prime Minister would be kicking off this membership drive. Arun, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Arun, the Prime Minister has arrived. He is going to be kicking off this membership exercise of the Saffron Party. He is also going to be renewing his membership, becoming the first one for today. Arun? Arun, if you can hear me, we're just getting visuals of the Prime Minister who's arrived. Behind you, we can also hear Modi chants. Perhaps you're in the thick of things there at the BJP headquarters.
That's right. Prime Minister Modi has just arrived here at BJP Extension Office. And remember, today is the day when the BJP is starting their national membership drive, and in that process Prime Minister Modi will become the first person to become the member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He will be renewing his membership today. It will be BJP chief JP Nadda who will of course give him that membership slip, and we are seeing that the likes of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and various other union ministers are present here at the BJP Extension Office where this membership drive is commencing. Today is the second of September, and the membership drive of BJP will run in 2 phases. So the first phase is starting from today and it will last for 15 days. Then after a gap of 1 week, the second phase of membership drive will start. We all know that BJP had already become the largest party worldwide, and therefore taking that legacy forward, we are seeing this huge event which has been organized here in Delhi, Party's Extension Office. BJP Karyakartas, workers have come here from Delhi NCR to witness this program where Prime Minister Modi will be renewing and becoming the first member of Bharatiya Janata Party. This exercise usually being done every 5-6 years, and today of course is a very significant day also because Prime Minister Modi will be speaking or addressing on the works which BJP has done in last 10 years under his leadership and what is going to be his vision for coming years. All these workers which are present here, which are chanting Modi Modi at this moment, are going to witness the Prime Minister's address, what he's going to speak to them.
Right, Arun, do stay on with us. Payal also joining us, getting us more inputs on this. Payal, it's a multi-phase enrollment, a membership drive of the BJP. What's the aim? Is there a number that the BJP is looking at?
Well, of course, it's a multi-state, a membership drive like Arun Dhanta was just pointing out, my colleague. And he essentially was saying that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will become the first one to renew his membership. And this drive will be taken across the entire country. Poonam, this holds a lot of significance because this is the beginning of the organizational election that the BJP will undertake. Remember, after this membership drive takes place and the state presidents will be appointed in multiple states, after which they will in fact send in a recommendation for the next president of the BJP, and the BJP president's announcement could happen sometime early next year. So obviously it's a very, very important development that's come to the fore. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has got his third term in office, being a historical occasion for him to become the Prime Minister for the third time in a row. Only a record which was seen as early as 60 years ago, initially as well. And that is something which, of course, the BJP is going to talk about. BJP is going to say that they have footprints all over the country in places where they never had a footprint before 2014. So, for example, Tripura, Manipur, these are the states that BJP could have never dreamt about winning, but they were able to do that. Odisha, which was considered to be one state which is going to be very far away from the BJP in terms of winning, BJP has been able to form government over there as well. So what is the work that has been done by the government so far? What is the message that is sending to the people of the country? The message of, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas is something which, of course, pioneers as far as the party's fortunes are concerned. Remember, BJP is the world's largest party, which they probably really speak about. But today's message from the Prime Minister to the party cadre is going to be extremely important. There have already been committees that have been formed to take care of this membership drive program. People have been appointed as coordinators and conveners, and they actually have to make sure that this drive goes through the length and breadth of the country. So obviously that is being launched, and you saw Union Home Minister Amit Shah speak about this just a short while ago when he said that this is going to be a huge occasion for the BJP yet again to showcase its prowess before the world and to ensure that they have new members. But this time around, since the election was all about the youth and the women, they would like to see participation from women and the youth in particular joining the Bharatiya Janata Party force in establishing itself as a party with a larger acceptability.